Heading to Monroeville, Alabama today. And we're going to see the Harper Museum where To Kill a Mockingbird was based. So it should be pretty fun. Excited, guys? Woo! Wasn't based in Monroeville, but it was set here in her mind when she wrote it. Left. Yeah. Home of the world's most famous courtroom. Say it again?
It's segregated.
It's segregated. Yeah, notice up on the top.
Why?
All the black people. All the white people are down below.
There's Scout and Jen though, because they were up on the balcony.
Okay. Oh yeah, look, it's like a lawyer's office. Lots of books. Wow.
This is exactly how I imagined it.
Yeah? Yeah.
I think that's the point of it. If there's a
This is so cool. Come sit up. Yeah. That's what it was supposed to look like back then. Joe Wilson, wow. Reading my book on John Adams, preparing to cook dinner tonight. Everybody else is chilling in the Ark, watching some TV shows. Annie's reading a book, and we're getting ready to depart from here tomorrow and head to Chattanooga. But all in all, Monroeville, Alabama has been wonderful. It's been very nice.
What? No wool with that. Now pass it to Chesapeake, the old master. The old master. Boom, boom. Oh, real football.
Good.
This one's
Yeah, we should have brought the Ravens ball.
Oh.
Lo-fi beats. Like it's a lo-fi vibe.
That's mine.
Wow, Penny.
Daddy, I think about like the water one.
The bunny.
No, about the water. And then the pet. And then
The man
under
licked
the bed.
I want to hear Scarlett tell Ghost Bunny again.
Right? Let's do that. My turn.
Okay.
This is going to be way too scary for you.
Okay. Okay.
I might be now. Story of Ghost Bunny. Might be now. His ears are so big, he can hear the tiniest sound right across town. His nose is so sensitive, he can smell his favorite food a miles away. You know what his favorite food is? What? S'mores!
Oh no!
But remember at your party, and then I had my girl like,
Funny.
"Ooh, I want to do mine," and then
Mommy, what did I say when we started? You
first the ghost story, Daddy.
Okay.
Ghost story.